You might have found that your projections are landing in places you don't want them, onto the ground, on a neighbour's house, or areas around your target surface. Or maybe you want to restrict your projections to an object or prop. This is exactly what the Exclude feature is designed to help with. Exclude gives you more control over where your projector will shine light by letting you mask out areas you don't want to include in your final projection. To launch the Exclude tool, click the icon in the main toolbar. With the tool active, you can begin painting directly onto the canvas. Wherever you paint will turn black, because black pixels represent no light and therefore no projection. It's a simple and intuitive way to block projection from specific areas. You can paint directly on the generated image, or use your outlines or mapped photo to help guide you as well. You can adjust the brush size for fine control and zoom in to help with precision. There's also an eraser tool for removing part of an exclusion. If you want to start fresh, you can click Reset in the Exclude widget to clear all exclusions from the canvas. Exclusions act as an overlay on top of the generated content. They don't guide or influence the AI generator. Exclusions are stored in your project, and you can toggle them on or off at any time using the Exclude button in the toolbar. When exporting, you can choose to include the exclusions, meaning the black areas will appear in your exported file, or disable them to export the unmasked content. Exclusion is a simple but powerful step in making your projections cleaner, more intentional, and tailored to your setup.